Hey, it is Ray here with you today. Today we are creating this pink fantasy of mine. If you are interested in how did I achieve this look here, keep on watching. I promise you we will have a lot of fun together. So let's rock this look. Okay, I've preset my borders and now it is time to apply primer. My usual thing is a Smashbox 24-hour photo finish primer. So I'm gonna grab my Sonia Kashuk Universal Crease Brush and I'm gonna dip it into MAC Pro Palette shade Yogurt. I'm covering my entire lid with this one. I am changing to my It Cosmetics blending brush number 105 and I'm going to my NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette. And that one is gonna be my transition shade. In a circular motions, I blend this color into my base, trying to raise it as high to the brow as possible. Time to change the brush. This one is a Sonia Kashuk Crease Brush from her Smoky Eye set. We're gonna use the same palette but different shade with this one. Let's go for something more vibrant. Time to change brushes. This one is my Morphe 507 brush. Same palette, but this shade right here. Going back to my It Cosmetics brush and blending it. This is a White Frost by MAC. And I'm going with the same Morphe 507 brush into inner corners of my eyes, and afterwards we're gonna blend it to the outer corners. So I've applied them roughly and a little bit in bulk because right now I'm going for my MAC 224 blending brush and I'm gonna blend this color into the pink one. Right now I'm taking off my borders and after that we're jumping to the lower lash line. Voila! The perfect line is here. So right now I'm gonna wipe off whatever is under my eyes. So fallout is wiped out. And for the lower lash line, I'm gonna use my Sephora Round Crease Eyeshadow Brush. The same NYX palette, but the shade blue. I am in a desperate need for purple. Switching the brush to my little MAC 228 brush. With the same brush, 228 by MAC, I'm packing some extra of my White Frost into inner corner of our eyes. Getting my Morphe 507 brush and blending the lower lash line together. Okay guys, our eyes need some rest. So right now we're gonna jump to our face, do the base, foundation, contouring, and all that jazz, and we will be back to our eyes later. My foundation routine, I love to start with priming my face. Today I'm using my Kiehl's Daily Reviving Oil Concentrate. To be honest, I've really noticed that with oil, I love my foundations more. I love how they glide on smoothly and how they showing the pores and lines and everything less. I got really intrigued with this NYX's Total Control foundation, and I'm giving it another try because I'm really interested if it's that good. I love the bottle, as I said. I love the dropper, and everything looks fine, and it is extremely buildable. But I want to see how it will perform on oil, so let's get it a good go. Sonic Kashak blending sponge, and I really love this one lately. I've been using it like every time, every day. It is a great one, and it's really funny to use it because it is so enormous. It is huge, but it is so bouncy, and it is latex free, and I love the texture. It's so squishy. So I'm definitely having fun with this one. So I'm doing some extra. I want to see how well it's gonna build. So basically I want to build it to the top of the possible coverage. For concealer, I'm using Fit Me by Maybelline. Let's apply this one and the baking powder, and after that we'll go to contour. So let me set my eyes to the baking mode with my MAC set powder and the beauty sponge. So I don't exactly know why it is so messy right now. I'm in the setting powder. Maybe it is the reaction with the foundation and with the oil. However, we will continue baking, and right now let's go to the contour. Today I'm using my NYX Wonder Stick. With my Sonic Kashak powder brush, large powder brush, number 100, I'm gonna get rid of that bake. So I'm getting just the lightest of the lightest of the lightest of the setting powder, and I want to set my entire face with it. So let me contour my nose a bit as well. Right now, I'm going for the blush, and it's gonna be Summer Rose by MAC, and the brush number 136 by MAC. My favorite last step of face is highlighter. That's why I'm putting it to the very end. However, our eyes are not done yet, but they had a good rest. For the liner, I'm using Kate Von D tattoo liner. So far, so good. Today, I'm trying out new things as usual, and one of them will be this one. It is L'Oreal Infallible Paints, and the shade I picked is White Party. It's kind of a marker, almost the same what I just used with the tattoo liner. So I will line on top of what I already have. I am so impressed. I love this paint. I literally love it. It is so easy to work with. It gives just beautiful line. You can go as precise as you want to. I mean, you can see it's almost perfect. I don't mean to be all over the place, but I'm gonna do my eyebrows first and then I will finalize the look. That means I will go back to that paint. I enjoy it. So I'm going back to my L'Oreal paint and I'm gonna finalize the line. Fascinating by MAC to the waterline. Hot and Naughty to Black Lash by MAC. I can't leave this look without falsies. It feels kind of incomplete, so let me apply them quickly off camera and I will be right back for lips. Oh, by the way, my falsies are these. My falsies are on and I am definitely ready to glow. As a highlighter, I'm gonna use my NYX Love You So Mochi highlighting palette in that medium pink shade. To apply it, I will use my tiny MAC brush and some setting spray. But the look is not done till we have our lips on. Today, I'm having something extra cute here. Meow. Katy cat gloss, two little sweet cats, and I'm gonna mix them together. Let's start with the pink one. It is shade Kitty Karma. And inside we're gonna fill in with the white one. It is white Catillac. Oh no, I'm totally not having a nail day today. However, I found out something fun. Did you know that the first nail polish comes to us from ancient Rome and it was made out of the blood of sheep and the fat? I know, that sounds disgusting. However, the nail polish, the way we have it right now, was invented by company Revlon in 1932. I will go to Revlon. MAC Prep and Prime. And here we are at the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you doing that because I'm trying so hard and I'm having so much fun creating this looks for you. In the comments down below, let me know how did you like this fantasy of mine. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one. For now, mwah.